Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a picture to PNG in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to convert a picture to PNG. Firstly, we insert a picture in this document, go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then we can see here many picture. We choose a picture on this picture and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. We click the picture and go to the format menu, then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. And we can see here this is picture, we move anywhere. We click the remove background option and we can see here background is removed automatically. Now we click the keep change option and we can see this image is transparent and PNG. Now we right button on your mouse, then click save as picture, then select the file and select file name, then finally click save. Then we go to the file and make sure this picture is transparent, and we can see this picture is transparent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.